Hi! In front of me is VIVO Y21s, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions on this device. You need to begin by opening Settings and tapping on Privacy section after scrolling down. Over here. Now click on Permission Manager and click on one of your device's options that you wish to manage, like microphone. Now click on one of your apps, in my case, Call of Duty, and apply one of those options by tapping on the best one for you. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I want to set up allow only while using, so when I click and go back, I can see that Call of Duty app just gained access to my device's microphone if I'm using it. But you can always pick any feature, like calendar, and pick an app that you wish to manage, like Gmail. Now, instead of picking one of those options, tap on See All Gmail Permissions and manage all of them only for your app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!